everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chat. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on the Queen from the 2nd to the 5th of May 2022 on Monday. Harriet confront Brutus and Majali will not have it. Petronella is flying high, but Schumacher feels snapped on Tuesday. Hector offers Harriet a solution to the Brutus problem. Tando distract Bambata and buy herself some time on Wednesday. Hector wants to eliminate an enemy, and Schumacher once again felt marginalized by Petronella, taking all the credit for the bash on Thursday. Tando tried to convince Bambata to buy her a ring. Harriet makes a request that surprises Hector. Schumacher plot to steal money from Petronella on Friday. Petronella believes there is a snake in her home. Tando and Bambata are ready to take it to the next level. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.